Hi, I'm Alina from DIY Garden, and today we're going to be testing out this Ryobi 18V ONE Cordless Lawn Mower. So the first thing you'll notice about this lawnmower is how compact it is. It's really light, weighs just over 8 kg, so it's easy to lift, easy to maneuver around the garden. It's got a grass collection box that can hold 35 litres in capacity, which is pretty good for a small garden. And its cutting width, you've got 33 centimetres there, and there are 5 different cutting heights to choose from, between 25 millimetres and 65 millimetres. So being a cordless lawnmower, this model is powered by a battery. It takes one 18-volt Ryobi battery. It's the ONE+ battery, so if you've got other Ryobi tools, then this battery will fit all of the others. So to turn this lawnmower on, it's really easy. All you do is press this big yellow button and then pull the handle. So if you've got a small garden and you're looking for an easy to use, affordable lawnmower that's not too heavy, then I would definitely recommend this Ryobi model.